Hi viewers, in this video I have this VGO TEL Smart 8 and here you can see that it's locked with a pattern and I forgot its pattern lock. So in this video I will show you how to remove its pattern lock. So in order to remove its pattern lock, first power off this phone by pressing this power and volume up key simultaneously. Now just shut down this phone. After its complete shutdown, now the key combination to boot into the recovery menu is very crucial and a little bit hard for this model, especially if you are trying for the first time. If you will fail, just try again and again. First I am just telling you, then I will do it. Press and hold this power key just for 3 seconds or 2.5 seconds. The timing is important most factor for this. Then after 2.5 or 3 seconds, just quickly press and hold this volume up key along with this power key, but simultaneously just release this power key and keep holding the volume up key so it will directly boot without vibration. It is the sign that it will successfully enter into the recovery mode. Now I am just attempting. Now you will see that it will successfully boot into this recovery menu. Here you can see that it's VGO TEL Smart 8 and it's on Android 14. Now at this time it is super easy to wipe data factory reset. Just scroll down with this volume rockers and select this wipe data factory reset. Hit this power key, volume down, again power key, and here you can see that it's wiping and formatting data completed. Now just reboot this phone into the system and just wait a few minutes. I will fast forward this section to save your precious time. Finally it successfully landed on this home screen and we successfully removed its pattern lock. So here you can see that there is no skip button, so that it means it's FRP lock too. So I'm just going to remove its FRP lock right now, but I will create another video for its FRP lock. So I will give the link of that video in the description of this video, also at the end screen of this video, so you can get it from anywhere else. So now I can say that this is enough for this video, and my viewers, I'm really confident that you enjoyed and learned something new from, and if this video is going to help you, this is now your turn to hit the subscribe, because hitting of this subscribe button is not going to take out any money from your pockets. It is literally, and normally if you like to show support to the creators, you can even give me a thumbs up too. I will not dislike that. I hope that this is enough for this video. I will see you in my next. So until then, keep smiling.